Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of Microsoft Office SDX helper consuming high internet data in Windows 10. So if you find that a process with the name Microsoft Office SDX helper is consuming high internet or the bandwidth in your system, then the way to stop that process is just go to the search bar and type task scheduler. So yeah, it is already showing in the search result. Just click on it, and now in the left hand side just expand this task scheduler library folder, and then just expand this Microsoft folder and just select this Office folder. Now in the right hand side just select this Office feature updates. Right click over it and click on the disable option. After this just select the Office feature updates logon. Right click over it and click on the disable option. After this just close this window, and now your issue will be fixed. And one thing more, just restart your system once after doing this. So this is how you can fix the issue of Microsoft Office SDX helper consuming high internet in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.